Achieve a flawless base, foundation tips and tricks. Title: Achieve a flawless base, foundation tips and tricks. Introduction. A flawless base is the key to a stunning makeup look. The foundation plays a crucial role in creating a smooth and even canvas for the rest of your makeup. However, achieving a flawless base can be a daunting task, especially with so many different products and techniques to choose from. Fear not. In this article, we will guide you through some essential foundation tips and tricks to help you achieve a flawless base every time. 1. Prep your skin. Before applying foundation, it's essential to prepare your skin to ensure a better application. Start by cleansing your face to remove any dirt, excess oil, or makeup residue. Follow up with a good moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Hydrated skin provides a smooth surface for foundation application and prevents the product from settling into fine lines or dry patches. 2. Choose the right shade. Finding the right shade of foundation is crucial. You don't want a color that is too light or too dark, as it can make your complexion appear unnatural. To determine the perfect shade, test the foundation on your jawline, and see if it seamlessly blends with your neck color. Additionally, consider your undertone, whether you have warm, yellow/peach, cool, pink/blue, or neutral undertones will help you choose a foundation that complements your skin. 3. Understand your foundation formula. Various foundation formulas cater to different skin types and desired finishes. Understanding each formula will help you choose the right one for your needs. Liquid foundation. Liquid foundations are versatile and work well for most skin types. They offer buildable coverage and a natural, dewy or matte finish, depending on the formula. B. Powder foundation. Ideal for oily or combination skin, powder foundation provides a lightweight and matte finish. It helps control shine but may not offer as much coverage as a liquid foundation. C. Cream foundation. Cream foundations are great for dry or mature skin, as they provide hydration and a dewy finish. They offer medium to full coverage and work well for those who want to create a flawless base. D. Stick foundation. Stick foundations are convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. They provide medium to full coverage and are suitable for all skin types, depending on the formula. E. BB/CC creams. These tinted moisturizers offer sheer coverage, priming, and skincare benefits. They are light on the skin and ideal for those who prefer a more natural, no makeup look. 4. Applying foundation. The application technique you choose can make a significant difference in achieving a flawless base. Here are some common methods. Fingers. Using clean fingers, gently blend the foundation onto your skin. The warmth of your hands helps the product melt into the skin, providing a natural finish. Makeup sponge. Dampen a makeup sponge and bounce it onto your face, blending the foundation for an airbrushed effect. The sponge helps achieve a seamless finish and minimizes the appearance of pores. C. Brush. A flat foundation brush or a buffing brush can be used in circular motions to apply and blend foundation evenly. This method is perfect for full coverage and a polished finish. 5. Set your foundation. Setting your foundation helps enhance its longevity and prevent it from sliding off throughout the day. There are two primary methods. A. Translucent powder. Using a fluffy brush, lightly dust a translucent powder all over your face. This helps control shine and sets the foundation in place without adding extra coverage. Setting spray. A setting spray acts as the final step to lock your foundation in place. Spritz it onto your face after applying makeup to provide a long-lasting, natural finish. 6. Additional tips and tricks. Here are a few bonus tips to further improve your foundation application. Use a primer. Applying a primer before foundation can smooth out texture, blur imperfections, and make your foundation last longer throughout the day. Blend. Whether you're using your fingers, sponge, or brush, ensure you blend the foundation properly into your skin for a seamless, natural look. C. Build up coverage. If you require more coverage in certain areas, build up thin layers of foundation gradually. It avoids a heavy, cakey appearance. D. Check your lighting. Foundation can look different under different lighting conditions. When testing or applying foundation, ensure you check in natural light to see if it matches your skin tone accurately. Bonus tips for the perfect foundation application. 7. Don't forget to blend the foundation into your neck. This will ensure a seamless transition from your face to your neck and prevent any noticeable lines. 8. If you have specific skin concerns such as redness or discoloration, consider using a color corrector before applying foundation. Color correctors help neutralize unwanted undertones and create an even base.